Welcome to Coffee with Viking. I am Mike. Cheers. Today's devotion, restoration versus condemnation. Job 25:5 and 6. Behold, even the moon has no brightness compared to God's glory, and the stars are not pure in his sight. How much less man, who is a maggot, and a son of man, who is a worm. There are three typical reasons people face hardship. The first is an event in which everyone around you endures generally. This could be something like a flood or other natural disaster. The second is enduring because of poor personal choices. You endure the consequences of the choices you make or are affected by the negative choices of others. The third is enduring the ridicule of people who stand opposed to your faith. Job fit a rare fourth way. He endured circumstances that had nothing to do with a personal sin or sin someone committed against him. It was a test that Job's friends didn't understand, and neither did Job. One friend seemed to suggest that Job was little more than a maggot or worm. It's hard to know how to handle people who judge your circumstances and find it reason enough to condemn. Aren't you glad God knows your heart and understands your circumstances? God's desire is restoration instead of condemnation. Ask God to help you see those who suffer through his eyes of compassion. Allow love to replace judgment. Jesus, help me admit when I don't understand what someone is going through. May I never be accused of standing between their pain and your hope. In your precious name, Jesus. Amen. Stay blessed. Stay caffeinated. Much love.